Hi, this is Valerie from the Census Department at Pension Services. Today, I'll walk you through the census submission process step by step. Your plan is customized, and accurate data keeps it in compliance under IRS and DOL rules. We review demographics and contributions. I'll keep this quick and clear. Mark these dates so your filing stays on track. If you have employees, you'll complete a census and upload W-2 and W-3 for all employees, year-end payroll report showing Section 125, if not on the W-2, any K-1 Schedule C for owners not paid via W-2. Log in as a sponsor, open Forms and Reports, click Reports, and download the current tax year census request form. We pre-populate what we can. Confirm or correct details. Enter the name of the person completing the census and today's date. This is our point of contact. If you're in a control group or affiliated service group, list all related entities. Employees across those entities must be considered for testing. Submit one census for all employers with W-2 staff, even if an entity isn't participating in the plan. List all owners and officers with SSN and ownership percentage. In the family section, identify spouses, parents, children, and any family-related W-2 employees. If an owner is an entity, include the entity's name. List every employee paid during the year, including terminations and anyone who worked one day. Enter first name, last name, SSN, gender, birthday, hire date, termination date, and annual hours. Enter Section 125 pre-tax health, often on payroll reports rather than the W-2. In Box 12, codes D are deferral and AA Roth. Show 401k amounts. No code means no contributions. Use Box 5 for taxable gross wages. These are Medicare wages. For new plans, complete the prior year compensation and prior year hours of service, often yes or no. Follow any plan-specific notes for extra fields. If an employee had military leave, include imputed compensation for eligibility service credit. If severance was paid after termination, enter the amount. Flag list union or non-resident alien employees. Compare census totals to your IRS W-2. If numbers don't align, review headcount wages and Section 125 entries, then correct as needed. This video shows our base template. Your plan may include additional fields we are not showing here, like LTPT status, post-entry partial year compensation, job titles, excluded pay flags, or other plan specification indicators. Complete what applies. Leave non-applicable items blank. If unsure, add a short note via email and we'll guide you. Submit your census file and required tax documents securely via census request upload on our homepage. You're all set. If your business changes or you have questions, reach out. We are here to keep you confident and compliant.